Okay, so worksheet here, basics 6. Let us start with the simple subtractions. Okay, we've done with simpler numbers earlier, and we know that if one is plus like this, no sign plus 37,005 and other is minus, we add, right? But when one is plus and other is minus, or one is minus and the other is plus, we always make sure the bigger absolute value go up. So which one do you think is having bigger absolute value, 37,005 or 70,976? Think. Yes, that's right. Clearly 37,005 is bigger than 17,976. Now we know that in this one, starting from the extreme right, we count as units digit, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000, right? Similarly, units, tens, hundreds, like that it go. Why we do that is, this is extremely important. Once we write the first number, the next lower one has to be written so that units digit fall in the same line with the units digit of the first one. So here units digit 5, here 6. So that means we have to start from the extreme right and go left. That way you'll get everything correct. Okay, so next is 7, the tens place. Goes on 9, making sure it's in the same line with the next digit, 7 and 1. Okay, so we have to make sure that is done. Okay, now no sign here means we know it's plus, and here the sign in front is clearly minus, so here minus. So one is plus, the other is minus, so we subtract, right? But the problem here is the first number here, 5, upper number is smaller than the lower number 6, so it has to borrow from the neighbor next in front of it. But even that 0 is lesser than the lower number 7. Again, next also lesser than the lower number 9. Again, the next number 7 is equal to its lower number. So what we mean is this 5 has to borrow from a number which is bigger than the lower number. So here the first number that is like that is 3. 3 upper number bigger than the lower number 1. So it will land 1 here. So it itself will become 2, right? That 1 go in front of 7 means how much is that? To the left of 7? Yeah, 17. And 17 land 1 here, so we know 16 will be left there. Okay. Then that 1 go in front of 0. How much is that? Yes, 10. Then 10 land 1 here, so it itself will be 9. That 1 go in front of this 0 again, 10, right? And again that land to the 5, so it will become 9. And that 1 landed by this 10 to become 9. That 1 go in front of the 5. Just in front of 5. Think how much is that if 1 go in front of this 5. Yes, that's right, 15. Now 15 minus 6, think. Yes, take your time and think. Yes, that's right, 9. So we write here 9 because we're going to subtract, right? Then once landed, this number is left is 9. So 9 minus 7 is, yes, think. Yes, 2. Then again, 9 minus 9. Yes, yes, 0. Then only 16 left. 16 minus 7. Think carefully. That's right, 9. Okay. Then you know that once 3 landed, 1 here, only 2 left. So 2 minus 1. Yes, that's right, 1. So the answer is this. What sign should be in front? Yes, the sign of the bigger absolute value. Which is bigger? Yes, definitely 37,000 will be bigger than 17,000 something. So the sign of the bigger is plus, so here also will be plus. But we know for plus numbers, we can just write the number without a plus. So the answer is this. Now let's go to the next one, and it's similar. Here no sign plus, here minus. So we have to put the bigger absolute value up. Now tell me 17 point something is bigger or 370 point something? That's right, 370.05 is definitely bigger than 17 point something. What is the sign in front? That's right, minus. Okay. Then the next number, you have to know that the Left of decimal is the integral part. And not in the decimal part, only in the integral part you will mark the places. I mean units place is 7, not 6, okay? On the left integral part. And the next is tens. Similarly here, left of this decimal is 0.73. So 0 is the units place and 7 is the tens place and so on. Why we do that is because the units place here 0 in 370.05 should come in the same line with this units place 7. So we do that. This units place 0 and this 7, same line. Then you can put the decimal here and 9, okay, 7 and 6. Now here left side is 1, so here 1. So once we sort the units place and the decimal units place, the decimal will come in the same line and the rest will go in its own places. And the decimal part, if anything is empty, we put there 0, better. In the integral you may put 0 or may not, also up to you. Now what is the sign of 17.976? Yes, no sign means you know that's plus. Now you're ready to subtract because one is minus, the other is plus. But this 0 is smaller than the lower 6. Again, 5 is lower than the smaller than lower 7. 0 less than 9. 0 less than 7. So it can be this 0 cannot borrow from here also. The first number which is bigger here is 7 than the lower one. This. So it'll land 1 here. It itself will become 6. Now once it is landed, that 1 go in front of 0. So how much is that? Think. Yes, that's right, 10. Then 10 give 1 to here. It itself 9. Again, that 1 go here, 10. You know that. 10 give 1 here, so 9. Right. Now that 1 landed by 10 here to in front of 5. How much the number is now? Yes, 15. So 15 give 1 here. Itself will become 14. Okay. Then that 1 go in front of this 0. So 10, right. 10 minus 6. Think. Yes, that's right, 4. Only 14 left, so 14 minus 7. Think. That's right, 7. Then 9 only left. 9 minus 9. Yes, 0. Point. Then 9 minus 7. 2. Okay, that's right. 6 minus 1. Yes, 5. Then nothing was borrowed from here, so this remain unchanged. So this is 3. What sign will this be? Yes, sign of the bigger. So which is bigger, 17 point something or 370 point? Clearly 370 is bigger than 17. So the sign of that is minus. So here also minus. So this is your answer. Likewise, we go to the next one. We can do slightly quicker if we want. 375 is bigger than 256 point something. So draw the bigger one up and point. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can just put those zeros because you're going to need them anyway. Then we make sure that this is marked units, tens. So that will be marked in this part integral. So units, tens, never in the decimal part. Unit 6 and 5 should come. So 6, then 5, then 2. Okay, and point. And here 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and the sign in front is minus here. Here no sign means plus. So you also write up to there. Okay, if you're ready. 0 less than 5, less than 4, 0 less than 3, 0 less than 2. So cannot borrow from there. 5 less than 6. This is the first one. 7 bigger than lower one, 5. The length 1 here becomes 6. Become 15, length 1 here become 14. You can do that. Okay. Now that 1 go in front of this 0, how much is that? Yes, 10. We've been doing so much here, right? 10 length 1 here, so 9. Again here 10. 10 length 1 here, so 9. And here 10. 10 length 1 here, 9. Do up to there. And that 1 landed by this 10 go in front of 0. 10, right? 10 minus 5. Yes, 5. Now next, 9 minus 4. Yes, 5. Then next 9 minus 3. Yes, 6. Next 9 minus 2. That's right, 7. Then comes the decimal, so you mark it. How much is left here? Yes, 14. 14 minus 6, think and say. 14 minus 6. Yes, 8. Then here's 6 on the left, 6 minus 5. Yes, that's right, 1. Finally, nothing borrowed, so 3 minus 2. That's right, 1. What sign will it have? That's right, the bigger one. 375 bigger than 256. Plus, so here also plus, which means plus means you need not write also. Answer is this 118.7655. Okay. Now let us go to the next one, which is quite simple yet very absolutely important. So get this right. Now you have plus into plus, right? Just keep in memory that always plus, okay? It's multiplication of signs, these are called. Plus into minus. Always minus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus. Always minus. And finally minus into minus. Always plus. So memorize this, okay? We go to before you go to the next one, because you're going to need there. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Then next minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay? Okay, now let us apply this here. When you multiply numbers, you always usually multiply. That's a better habit, okay? Multiply the signs first. Minus into here, no sign in front of 3 is what? Yes, plus. So minus into plus, minus. As you can see here, minus into plus, minus. Up to here, minus. So minus, minus again. Plus. So here will be plus, which we did not write, right? Then only you multiply the numbers. You know this plus now. 2 3s are? Yes, that's right. 6. 6 4s are? That's right. So answer is plus 24. How about the next? Like you did here, multiply the signs. Minus into minus, plus. Yes, that's right. Plus into minus, minus. That's right. Then minus into plus. Yes, minus. That's right. Then numbers. 2 3s are? Yeah, that's right. 6. 6 4s are? 24. That's right. 24 1s are? Yes, 24. So the answer is minus 24. Next, finally here, minus into minus, plus. That's right. Then plus into minus, minus. That's right. Minus into minus, plus. So the sign here is going to be plus. So we need not write. Now 2 3s are? Yes, 6. 6 4s are? Yes, 24. 24 1s are? So the answer is plus 24. So it seems like when the number of numbers of minus is even, like here 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2, the sign in the answer is plus. And when the numbers of minus is odd, like 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 4 5, because all those are odd numbers of minus means answer minus. That'll help you as you do, okay, in the numericals, right, that you will get in the textbook. Okay, now next, again, divide, but you have to write in decimal form, not by usual way of division, but by common sense. So what do you mean by that? It means this is going to be very easy if we apply common sense. So whenever we learn from previous also, a number is divided by power of 10, like 1 followed by 0, 10, 100, 1000. Decimal move to left. But there's no decimal here. What does that mean? It means the decimal is on the right of 1. We need not show also. So when divide, move to left. So this one will go from right of 1 to left of 1. So it'll become 0.1. From here, here. Nothing here means we usually put 0. So the answer is 0.1. Likewise, the decimal is here on the right. We'll go left 2 places. 1 and nothing is there means we put 0, 2. 1 and 2. So decimal is here now. Nothing in front of decimal, we put ourselves. Answer is this. So how about this? How will it move? Yes, from the right of 1, decimal will move 3 places to the left. That's right. Let's count therefore. 1, 2, and 3. So it'll come here. And in this empty space in front of point, what do we put? That's right, 0. That's your answer. That's how we can easily divide by powers of 10 without using the usual method. Okay. Now the next is the reverse of what we did just now. We have to convert to fractions this decimal. Again, you have to use common sense, not the usual method. So you count the decimal place. On the right means decimal place, only one digit and 1, which means it will be divided by 1 0. Now count 1, 0.01 means 1 2. So this 1 will be divided by 2 places means 100. And here 1 2 3 4 1. 1 will be divided, therefore 1 2 3 4. So write 1 and put 4 zeros. 1 2 3 and 4. So 10,000. So it's just the reverse of this. I think you're getting right. Once you're done with that, now there are some multiplications that will come across while solving numericals in the textbook. And if you know this, it makes it a lot easier. So let us see what are they. Now it is sabi. Let me do it in Nagamis. 0.5 mane ada de ada. To duita sweet tagishi or equally ada means equally duijun na bitor de bhag kore na. Duita children ke equally duita sweet to bhag kore kiman pawa ekta children do. Bhabi no. Hoi 1. So 0.5 to any number multiply from the utu number do half jabo de 2 la half to 1. Itu nisna charta sweets tagi na duita children la bitore equally bhag ekta child kiman pawo 4 la half hoi duita pawo do na. So itu nisna by now buji 0.5 into 7 kg alu na duijun bar bhag kule ekjun kiman pawo. Common sense cholabi de divide no kurbe. Hoi 3 kg ada. So English 3 kg ada means 3.5. 0.5 means ada. Na. Kg chola ase kyun de easy ho jaye na buji bole ni hone. So itu nisna de 0.5 to 200 ke ada gole ki man ho jawo. 200 la ada do 100. Thik koise. Next jabi. Now ide ki kro mana chule. Mahan inia multiply kuli krong nai do. Sabi de 25 into 13. Na. Ko sabi 3 5s are 15. 1 remainder, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Na. Ini nakurna side ki bit part 2 na. 1 5s are 5 and 1 2s are 2. 8 kule 5 ase 12. 1 remainder plus 2 3. So 3 2 5 pai shi do eman tokte. The 4 law multiply kule 3 2 5 to 4 law multiply kule kiman labo. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 9 10 remainder 2 so 10. 1 in 4 3s are 12. Oh, 13. Itu correct as do. Kalau kiman minute solution mui itu kru lah, iniga multiply kru do. Oh, 2 to 3 or even 4 minutes, 5 minutes bijau. To common sense chole leki ho, nagamis prabavi 25 into 4 na. Acha 25 duita nagamis tu kulik man ho, 25 plus 25 na. 25 duita manu 25 plus 25 na. Kiman? Oh, very simple 50. To 25 charta to 100 ho na. 25 duta 50, 25 charta 100. To duta 0, 100 la 0 de didile directly to. To itu 2-3 seconds par jago do common sense cholale. Just na. Acha, to ide sai che 0.2 into 5 to 1 pai ase. 0.5 into 2 to 1 pai ase. To isa ide apply group par do na 0.5 into 2 gule. Hoi 1. To 1 into 2 37 gule. 237. 2-3 seconds par jago na. Nale 2 niga multiply gule 3-4 minutes to lagi jago pare na. Aro ide makan ide learn kursna 0.00 0.01 means 1 by 100. Kernel duta decimal. To ide kiman place 1 2 3. So 1 by 1000. 1000 tinta 0 do itu ki cancel gule. 237. Common sense cholaile. Simple. Ki 3-4 minutes lagi gule thaisle. Itu 2-3 seconds par jago. To tui solve kora bit komti time lo na. To hodai monde thakbi de. Olop time lu jaile bi bhabi kina multiply kurise divide kurle short ho jay. Holi na bhabi na joldi khatam kuro kana phat likhi thakle na bhabile kitaba to lamba lo jay na. De. To tia jagi na test to lubi maths basics 6 la test to. Itu nisna similar thakbo de apply kurisabe. I hope that helps.